My name is Brian, and I'm the e-commerce manager with Habitat for Humanity's online ReStore. Today, I want to show you a number of really cool items that we have in our home decor category. Come along. First up, we have this really beautiful and ornate wood carved clock from the Black Forest region in Germany. I really love this clock just because of the intricate designs and the lattice work. And also hand carved in wood is this stunning statue of Shou Lao, the god of longevity in China. What I really like about this statue is that it's carved from a single block of wood, which just shows the amazing craftsmanship that went into this. We have this beautiful canvas print by artist Toy Jones, Amber Afternoon Riverbank. What I really love about this art piece is the really warm colors and how you see it reflected in the water of the riverbank below. And in the spirit of keeping Portland weird, we have this really unique and kind of fun stained glass art piece featuring a raccoon on a stump. I really sort of like the character, especially with his face, and he sort of looks like he's up to no good. Thanks so much for watching. You can find these treasures and more home decor items and so much more at our website, shoppdxrestore.org. Thanks for coming. Bye.